morning, welcome back to the Garden Novice on this lovely Monday morning in November. Thought I'd plot on with the bottom end of my plot, clearing the rubbish and making space for more raised beds. So what I've done, I've cleared that edge, straightened the edge up a little bit, riddled the soil, and I put some pallets there. I'm going to fix that and make it a little bit of a fence just along this end of the garden, because as you can see the other side is quite full of rubbish. I've also cleared a little bit along the edge of this fence, riddled the soil, it's glass and goodness knows what's in there. What I'm using is these vegetable crates from the supermarkets. They're great. They do clog up a little bit. You just rake the soil off the bottom there and then riddle it away. Really good. So what I've done here is I'm up to this post now. I've cleared all the way along there. That's what it's like. It's what I'm up against. Glass, metal, carpet, you name it, it's amongst it. So I'm going to go up to this black pipe, I think. Then I'm going to be met by this tree stump, so that might be another one to come out at some point. And the soil I've riddled over here. Lovely soil. Look at that. Nice soil that. So that will fill me a raised bed when I get them in place on here. So as you can see, it's starting to take shape. Might not take as long as I expect it to take. Right guys, let's have a bit more of this riddled out. PPE on. Riddle. And here we go. Glass, wood, glass, metal, plastic, stone, everything in there. I had to sieve it out. Canny soil for the raised beds I'm going to buy for the space. So I've got another 1.5 meters of digging out the door here, and got a pile of rubbish to go down to the tip, bricks and metal and stuff, and then that'll be done here, hopefully, nice and clear. Right guys, I'll have to get the mattock out and loosen this bit up here. There's all sorts buried in this bit. So here we go. See? So, bit of metal. There's a steel pipe. The bore saw blade there. Goodness knows how long this stuff's been buried in here. I suppose years ago that's what people did. Took it down the garden and buried it at the bottom. Didn't have recycling tips them days, I suppose. Not that I'm old enough to remember them days. Metal. Plastic metal. Right. space. Riddle away. There we go. That's how I've been doing it down here. Doing the embankment of soil, burying rubbish that shouldn't be here really. But, end of the day, I've created a big space that you utilise and grow a veg. There's another nice barrow load of riddled soil. So I'll go and tip that over there, ready for me beds when they get built. So we're getting there, I'll take the top off against the fence, leave a little bit of a height because I don't want to be under the fence. And then a little bit where the weeds are, and then I'm done here. That's it guys, I've cleared the first part of the top end of my garden to bring it back into life. I've gone right up to this tree stump. I'm clearing the rubbish from the back against the fence. So that's the next thing to come out, is that tree stump. You see, I took it as far back as the fence as I dare really. All the way along. I'll get these pallets fixed up like a little fence to block all this rubbish out over there. I've got quite a big space, nice big pile of topsoil I've riddled. Lovely big space. I've just worked out I'll get 6 1.2 by 1.2 metre square raised beds on here quite comfortably with a good 1 metre path in between as well. So I'm quite pleased with this space. Right, I think that's me done for the day. I'm going to sweep the mud off my path down the centre of the allotment. I like to leave it tidy. And then check out in the polytunnel. If all's good, I'm away off home. Well, that's me done for the day. Just had a little harvest of carrots, some beetroot and some lettuce to take home. Check the tunnel, nothing to do in here. All cleaned up, I'm ready to go. Until the next video, bye for now.